Part 9 Algebraic Fractions, Addition and Subtraction. This video we will start math number O. Let's start. Here is x square minus 1 divided 3 times 1 divide x minus 1 minus 1 by 2. So first what can we do? This x square minus 1 we can write x plus 1 and x minus 1. Why? Because we know a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b, and this x square minus 1 is looking a square minus b square. Here, divide 3 times 1 divide x minus 1 minus 1 by 2. So first we will work up to here. So here is x minus 1 out. So we can write x plus 1 divide 3 minus 1 divide 2, right? Now we will make LCM. So LCM is 6. So here is 2 times x plus 1 minus 3, right? Then 2x plus 1 minus 3 divide 6. So here is 2x minus 1 divide 6, and this is our answer. Number O done. Now number P. Number P, here is two fractions and we will subtract this one. So in denominator x minus 1 whole cube and numerator x square minus 2x plus 1. So this one easily we can write x minus 1 whole square, and here is x minus 1 whole cube minus here is x square plus x plus 1. We will not do anything here, but this one is looking a cube minus b cube, so we can write x minus 1 then x square plus x plus 1, the factorization of cube. Now we will cut lots of things, this one out, so x minus 1, and here is x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 and x square plus x plus 1 out. So our answer is what? 1 divide x minus 1 minus 1 divide x minus 1. So nothing we will do anything. 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 out. So answer is 0. So number O and number P done. I like to inform you that part 8 up part 1 to part 8 we did lots of math, which one you will get in the description box. Okay, so number O and number P done. Now number Q. Number Q, 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2x divide x cube minus 1. So first here is 1 divide x minus 1 whole square, we will not do anything, and here is 2x, this x cube minus 1 we can write x minus 1 then x square plus x plus 1, right? Now LCM. So we can write here is x minus 1 whole square and x minus 1, we will take x minus 1 whole square, and here is x square plus x plus 1, and here we will write x square plus x plus 1 and minus here is 2x times x minus 1, right? Then x minus 1 whole square times x square plus x plus 1. Now look, here is x square plus x plus 1 minus 2x square minus and minus plus 2x, right? Now look, denominator x minus 1 whole square, then x square plus x plus 1, and here 2x plus x, we can write 3x, then here is minus 2x square plus x square minus x square, then plus 1, and this is our answer, right? So number Q done. Number R, here is 3 fraction. First fraction t square plus 2t minus 8 divide t square plus t minus 6. Second fraction we will add with first fraction 1 divide t square minus 9, and then t plus 1 divide t minus 1. So step by step we have to do. So t square plus 2t minus 8, this one we can write, suppose 4 times 2 it means 8. Similar 4 minus 2 it means 2. So here we can write t square plus 4t, then minus 2t minus 8, right? Then similar t square plus 3t minus 2t minus 6. 3 times 2 means 6, 3t minus 2t means plus 1t, plus 1, and t square minus 9, we can write t plus 3 times t minus 3, okay, and plus t plus 1 divide t minus 3. Excuse me. So here we can take common t, so t plus 4 minus 2 common, so t plus 4. Similar t common, t plus 3 minus 2 common, t plus 3, okay, plus 1 divided t plus 3 times t minus 3 plus t plus 1, then t minus 3, okay. Now look, t plus 3 times t minus 2, and here is t plus 4, then t minus 2, plus 1 t plus 3 t minus 3, plus t plus 1 t minus 3. Now this t minus 2, this t minus 2 out, so we can write t plus 4 t plus 3, then plus 1 divide t plus 3, then t minus 3, again here is t plus 1 divide t minus 3, okay. So common thing is t plus 3 and t minus 3. So here we can write t plus 4 and t minus 3, right? Here is 1 and here is t plus 1 times t plus 3, right? Now we will multiply everything. T, we can write this one t square minus 3, sorry, t square minus 9, t square minus 9, and here is t square minus 3t plus 4t plus minus 12 plus 1 plus t square plus 3t plus t plus 3, right? Then look, plus 3t minus 3t plus 3t out. So here is, look, 4t plus t, it will be 5t. So we can write this one in this side, t square minus 9. So first t square and t square, it will be 2t square, right? Then plus 5t, and finally here is 1 and here is 3, it will be 4, minus 12 plus 4, it will be minus 8, and this is our answer. So number are done.